Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where drag and drop is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart File Explorer. And how would you do that? Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Okay, now wait for the list to load. Right click on Windows Explorer and restart it. If you don't find it here, you will have to scroll a little to the background services. The next solution is an SFC scan. Just in case there are missing and corrupt files on the system, an SFC scan will be able to fix that. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then click on restart. The last solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.